episode of 88 and 88, we're pleased to highlight several recent and upcoming facility enhancements. Inside the buildings, renovations are being made to greenhouses at Addison Trail and Willowbrook, and work is expected to wrap up at the end of October. At Addison Trail, we're excited to expand our culinary program to meet student interest, which has exceeded the available facilities. The new space includes 12 workstations, a teacher station, and commercial-grade equipment. There will also be a cafe to serve food and beverages, which can be accessed from the hallway. We can't wait to officially unveil this new space at the beginning of second semester. Outside, those who have attended our athletic events at Addison Trail or Willowbrook during the past few months most likely have noticed a fresh new look to the stadium fields, as we recently updated the turf in those areas. Work was completed this past summer, and Addison Trail's practice field will be updated this coming summer. Externally at Willowbrook, necessary maintenance to 7 roofs was completed before the school year began. This involved applying a coating through a 2-part process, which will extend the roof warranty in those areas by 20 years. Looking ahead to this summer, we have the following facility updates planned. Willowbrook Auditorium, where we will update the catwalk and lighting, and Phase 1 of enhancements to the Developmental Learning Program classrooms at Willowbrook High School, where both Addison Trail and Willowbrook students participate. We are also working with Archon Associates to develop a 10-year health, life, safety, and long-range facility plan to ensure everything is up to date and following best practices. One of our top priorities at District 88 is to ensure a safe and high-quality learning environment for our students, staff, and community members. For questions or more information regarding building projects mentioned in this video, as well as others, contact District 88 Chief Financial Officer Ryan Damaraki, whose contact information is on the screen. Thank you for your continued support of District 88.